Morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, China cuts rates and we break out. So at this point, the upper band really is a magnet. It's at 2078.18. To hit it, we'd have to do probably 80 to 82. I don't know if that'll happen today, although I wouldn't put it past us to do, like a up 1.5% day today. The way I deal with days like this, it's going to be one of two things. Either the popular opinion is that we're going to come right straight back down. But the market just isn't really acting that way. The other thing we could do is continue to trend higher violently. But what's most likely to happen is that the majority of the move is going to be done here in Globex. We're going to get into the regular trading session. We're going to find a trading range that's a lot smaller than people want, and we're going to spend the day kind of chopping ourselves up. We kind of, we do, the best analogy I can give you is, we just get moved up to a higher shelf. We're on the third shelf. We just got moved up to the top shelf, but we're going to stay on the shelf. We're not going to go through the ceiling. And that can be frustrating from a day trading perspective when you wake up in the morning and you say, oh, I missed this gigantic move. Well, I'm going to make something out of my day. You're going to make your broker happy, but you're not going to make much out of your day if we settle into like a 5 or a 6 handle trading range. So you got to be aware of that. You can only trade the day that's in front of you, not the day that was. If you took advantage, if you were long and you caught this move, you need to be taking profits, okay? None of you knew that the Chinese central bank was going to cut rates today, and you just did an extra, 10 to 12 handles while you were sleeping. So do yourself a favor, do your business a favor, and take some profits. Roll up your stops, and capture as much of this move as you can, but don't just sit there and round trip it. So upper band is the likely destination. I mean, that's, we've done, lower band to upper band. The metrics are stretched. They are past overbought. We are nearing 100 handles above the 45-day pivot. The 1813 low was 105 handles below the 45-day pivot. So I will just throw that out there. It'll be very interesting if we did 105 down to 105 up. It would create an entirely new research project for me over the next few months, that's for sure. So as far as trading these goes, roll up your stops, take profits. Upper band is a magnet. If we get locked into a small range today, don't fight it. Don't do anything heavy over the weekend that you're going to regret come Sunday night, Monday morning. Control your risk. And, we're heading into a holiday period as well. And all of that points to, for now, advantage bulls. Could we do 2085 to 2090 without a pullback? With this kind of news, yeah, you can. Is there a point where it's going to pull back pretty hard? I don't know. I mean, we went down to the weekly pivot yesterday, 35. The weekly pivot was 35.5. We went down and we tested weekly pivot as support, and now the argument can be made that not only is 2020 to 2021 a floor, but we've created a new floor at the weekly pivot in the area of 35.36. So taking into account that 35.36 is that new floor, we've only done 33 handles above that, which is significant, but that in and of itself is not overbought. Okay, so bottom line, watch your risk. Watch your risk. If you're fighting this all the way up, I really wish you wouldn't. It'll come down when it's ready. Don't put yourself in a position where you can't trade it when it's time for it to pull back. But for now, 2035 is the floor. Upper band is the target. Everybody have a fantastic weekend. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Trade them well.